Okay, well, we are in our VW right now, and as you can see from the dashboard here, we have the ABS warning light showing here. So it is something that we're going to have to diagnose. What we're going to do is hook it up to a diagnostic tool to find out if the problem is in fact an ABS sensor. We suspect the problem is an ABS sensor, but there is of course the possibility that there is a fault within the ABS module or the ABS pump as well. So we'll first of all we'll hook it up to the diagnostic tool, and then we'll see if we can get this fault diagnosed. Alright, so the tool we're going to use to diagnose the ABS fault here is the Autel MD702, which will diagnose European vehicles for the main systems: ABS, airbags, engines and transmission. So what we need to do here is find the VW section, and see if we can get the ABS light diagnosed. So ABS brakes is the section that we need to try and diagnose. See if we can get a connection here. Right, read trouble codes. Right, so we do have a fault code here. 00290 ABS wheel speed sensor rear left. So as we sit in the vehicle, the rear left sensor looks like it has developed a fault. So what we'll do is we will go ahead and replace that rear sensor, then see if we can come back in the vehicle, erase the trouble code, and hopefully remove the ABS light from the dashboard. Okay, so on the rear left hand side of the vehicle now, this is the connector for the ABS sensor, and as you can see there, you might be able to see, there it is there, shiny new ABS sensor. So we've just put that in. What we need to do now is connect it up, clear the fault code, and then the ABS light should be removed from the dashboard. Okay, so we're back in the vehicle now after having just changed out the ABS sensor. What we need to do now is start the engine to see if the ABS light will automatically go off, or we do in fact need to erase the trouble codes to get the light off. So we'll start the engine here. Well, as you can see pretty quickly there, the ABS light has gone off on its own accord, but we would still need to erase the trouble codes. So we're just going to connect to the ABS system here. And then just make sure the fault codes are erased. So well, we've clicked read codes there, and we can just erase codes. So it's telling us that the ignition on and engine needs to be stopped, so we'll do that. So that's the ignition on, so we'll click yes to that. DTCs and freeze frame data will be lost. Do you wish to continue? We'll just click yes to that. Erase codes command sent. So it's asking us basically to read the codes again, just to make sure that they have been deleted. So we're going to read codes. There we go. System passed, no fault code is detected. So the Autel MD702 has successfully allowed us to read and clear the fault codes and help us find out why the ABS light was on. Told us that a new sensor was needed. So if you are interested in this MD702, just click the link directly below this video and you will find it on our website.